Struggling with damaged, dull, or lifeless hair? A high-quality hair repair serum can transform your strands, restoring strength, shine, and manageability. Whether your hair has been affected by heat styling, color treatments, or environmental damage, the right serum can make all the difference. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best hair repair serums to help you find the perfect solution for your hair care routine. Let's dive in and explore what makes these serums stand out from the rest. Kicking off our list at number 1, Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. The Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil is a revolutionary hair serum designed to repair and strengthen damaged hair from within. It's formulated with Olaplex's patented bond-building technology, making it ideal for those with chemically treated or heat-damaged hair. Key features: this serum is lightweight, non-greasy, and enriched with bond-repairing ingredients that improve hair texture and resilience. It also provides UV and heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a multitasking product for both repair and prevention. Its concentrated formula ensures effective results with just a few drops. Benefits and usage: Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil helps reduce frizz, improve shine, and repair broken bonds in the hair. To use, apply a few drops to damp or dry hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. It's excellent for pre-styling or as a finishing touch to enhance shine and manageability. Usability: the small, easy-to-dispense bottle ensures precise application without wastage. It absorbs quickly into the hair, leaving no residue, and works well for all hair types, including fine or oily hair. Durability: a little goes a long way, making the product last for months even with regular use. The sturdy packaging and travel-friendly size add to its durability and convenience. In the second spot, we have Moroccan Oil Treatment. The Moroccan Oil Treatment is a cult favorite serum that has set the gold standard for hair care. Infused with argan oil, it provides deep nourishment and repairs damage while leaving hair silky and manageable. Key features: this serum is enriched with argan oil and linseed extract, offering intense hydration, detangling, and enhanced shine. Its lightweight formula is suitable for all hair types and also provides protection from environmental stressors. Benefits and usage: the Moroccan Oil Treatment smooths frizz, adds shine, and strengthens hair while improving elasticity. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends, and style as usual. It can also be used as a pre-shampoo treatment for deeper nourishment. Usability: the serum is easy to distribute through hair and doesn't weigh it down. It's particularly effective for dry and coarse hair, but it's versatile enough for finer textures when used sparingly. Durability: the thick, rich formula ensures long-lasting results, and the sturdy glass bottle with a pump dispenser makes it convenient to use. A single bottle can last several months, making it a cost-effective choice for high-quality care. Coming in at number 3 is the LOreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. The L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil is an affordable yet luxurious hair repair serum that transforms dry, damaged hair into soft, silky strands. It's a versatile product designed to provide nourishment, shine, and heat protection. Key features: this serum is infused with a blend of 6 precious flower oils, offering deep hydration and shine without weighing down the hair. It provides heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and is suitable for all hair types. Benefits and usage: the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil helps to detangle, control frizz, and boost shine. Apply 2 to 3 pumps to damp or dry hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. It's ideal for pre-styling, post-styling, or as an overnight treatment for intense hydration. Usability: the lightweight formula spreads easily and absorbs quickly, making it user-friendly. It works equally well for coarse and fine hair, leaving a soft, non-greasy finish. Durability: with its generous bottle size and budget-friendly price, this serum offers excellent value. The pump design ensures controlled dispensing, preventing product wastage and ensuring a long-lasting supply. Taking our 4th spot is Kerastase Elixir Ultime. The Kerastase Elixir Ultime is a luxurious, salon-quality hair serum designed to repair and nourish damaged hair. Infused with a unique blend of precious oils, it delivers instant softness, shine, and long-term benefits for healthy, radiant hair. Key features: this serum combines the power of marula, camellia, argan, and maize oils to deeply nourish and protect the hair. It provides heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and is suitable for all hair types. The lightweight formula adds shine without weighing hair down. Benefits and usage: the Kerastase Elixir Ultime restores hair's vitality, smooths frizz, and enhances manageability. Use 1 to 2 pumps on damp or dry hair, distributing evenly from mid-lengths to ends. It can also be used as a pre-wash treatment for extra hydration. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy formula ensures easy application and a luxurious experience. It's perfect for daily use and works well for both thick and fine hair textures. Durability: the elegant glass bottle with a pump dispenser adds a touch of luxury while ensuring ease of use. Its concentrated formula ensures long-lasting performance, even with regular use, making it a worthy investment. And finally, at number 5, we have Frieda Frizz. The Frieda Frizz hair serum is a tried-and-true favorite for taming frizz and repairing damage. It's designed to smooth unruly hair and protect it from heat and humidity, leaving you with sleek, polished locks. Key features: this serum is formulated with silk proteins and algae extract, which help to repair damage, seal split ends, and protect hair from heat styling. It provides humidity resistance, making it ideal for frizz-prone hair in all weather conditions. Benefits and usage: the Frieda Frizz serum tames flyaways, boosts shine, and strengthens hair, making it perfect for everyday use. Apply a small amount to soaking wet hair, focusing on the ends, and style as desired. It's also great for touch-ups on dry hair. Usability: the serum is easy to apply and works well for thick, curly, or straight hair. Its lightweight texture ensures it doesn't leave a greasy residue, even with frequent use. Durability: the compact, travel-friendly bottle is designed for convenience and long-term use. A little product goes a long way, ensuring the serum lasts for months, even with regular application. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best hair repair serums. Whether you're looking for luxurious salon-quality care or an affordable everyday solution, these serums have something for everyone. Each product offers unique benefits, from repairing damage to enhancing shine and manageability. Let us know in the comments which serum you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Here's to healthy, beautiful hair every day.